In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get a video from a site like YouTube directly onto your Canva design in just a few moments. First, make sure you're inside the Canva project you want to work on. This is important because the option we need appears inside the project workspace, not on the home screen. With your project open, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main toolbar where you normally find elements, uploads, and text. In that same list, there's an option called Apps. Click Apps to open Canva's library of built-in tools and connections. Once the Apps panel is open, use the search bar at the top and type the word Embed. You should see an option labeled Embed appear in the results. Click it to open the Embed tool. This tool is designed to take a link from supported platforms, YouTube is a common one, and place that video directly into your current design. You're not downloading the file, you're embedding it via its public link. You'll see a field where you can paste your video URL. This is where you add the link to the video you want to use, such as a YouTube link. Make sure the video is publicly accessible or at least viewable with the link. Private or restricted videos won't load inside Canva. Standard share links from YouTube work well. If you're grabbing it from your browser's address bar, that's fine too. After you paste the link, Canva will recognize it and prepare a preview behind the scenes. When you're ready, click Add to Design. Canva will place the embedded video onto your canvas as an element, just like an image or a shape. You'll see it appear in your project, ready to be positioned and incorporated into your layout. Because it is an embed, playback happens inside Canva, and the source remains the original platform, which helps keep your project lightweight. That's really all there is to it. If the video doesn't appear, double-check that the link is correct and publicly viewable. Sometimes a copied link might include extra tracking characters. Using the standard share link can help. If you're working in a team file, remember that anyone viewing the design will need an internet connection to play the embedded video since it streams from the source. And that's it. Go to your project, open Apps, search for Embed, paste your video link, and click Add to Design. Simple, fast, and effective.